In this video, we're going to show you how to install the oil pressure switch on your Ford Focus located beside your oil filter. Now go ahead and locate your oil filter. It's just beside the oil pan on the front side. And then right up here is the switch itself. You want to go ahead and disconnect the electrical connector. There's a little pinch tab on the top here. You're going to pinch that and pull that connector off. Now you want to go ahead and loosen and remove the switch itself. We're going to use a 24mm box wrench. Now we're going to go ahead and put a catch can underneath to catch some of the oil that might drip out of this engine. Now when installing the sensor, you want to make sure that there's some thread sealant on the threads itself. And then we'll go ahead and thread that into that port. I'm going to thread it in as far as you can by hand, and then we're going to grab our wrench and we're going to snug that down. Now what we're looking for here is we want to make sure that the sealant on our threads is into the threads itself. The oil switch itself will snug down, but it won't actually tighten. So you just want to make sure that you can get it in at least half those threads. You feel it snug down and those threads are being sealed. I'm going to bring the switch around so I can go ahead and get that connector on there. I want to make sure that I have access to that tab once it's connected in case this ever needs to be disconnected again. I'm going to go ahead and take our connector, line that up, and push that on. You're going to feel it and hear it lock into place. I'm going to use some spray solvent here to go ahead and clean up that residual oil. Now for any reason, if you should have a code on that dashboard due to this unit acting up, go ahead and use a scan tool and properly clear that code. Check that oil, top it off, and they can go for a road test. And check that oil level. We're still right inside the crosshatch mark here between the two dots. It's perfect.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.